Dear students, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Class 12 subject math topic इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस हैं. इसमें हम डायरेक्टली आज एक एक्सरसाइज 2.2 उठा रहे हैं. We will take exercise 2.2 and there are properties of inverse trigonometric function. All the properties are listed on your textbook. You can see on your textbook all these. There are 6 different sets of these properties. First set is sin inverse 1 by x is cosec inverse x, where x is greater or equal to 1 or x is less or equal to minus 1. इसी तरह से सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी है cos इनवर्स 1 by x is equal to cosec इनवर्स x, x is greater or equal to 1 और x is less or equal to minus 1. और तीसरी प्रॉपर्टी है इनवर्स 1 by x is cot इनवर्स x, x greater than 0. You can see all these properties and we can use these properties to solve these exercises. Now let us take exercise 2.2. Question number 1, prove that see sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x square, where x belongs to closed interval minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. We can put here sin inverse x is equal to some angle के लिए को हम पुट करेंगे. तो let us put sin inverse x is equal to theta, so that theta belongs to closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, because minus pi by 2 closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 is the range of sin inverse function, which means theta, or we can write it theta is greater or equal to minus pi by 2 or less or equal to pi by 2, and less than or equal to pi by 2. Now this implies sin inverse x is equal to theta. When sin inverse x is equal to theta, x will be equal to sin theta. X will be equal to sin theta. Now as here it is given x belongs to minus 1 by 2 less closed interval minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2, which means x is greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to 1 by 2. Or we can write instead of x sin theta, and that is sin theta is less or equal to 1 by 2 greater or equal to minus 1 by 2. We see here minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. The sin function कब होती है 1 by 2 pi by 6 पर. So we can write here minus sin pi by 6 less or equal to sin theta less or equal to 1 by, this is sin pi by 6. Or this implies that theta lies between minus pi by 6 and pi by 6 plus pi by 6. Theta is greater or equal to minus pi by 6 and less or equal to pi by 6. Or when we multiply this by 3, we will get minus 3 pi by 6 less or equal to 3 theta less or equal to 3 pi by 6. Or this means 3 theta is greater or equal to 3 1s 3 2s minus pi by 2 and less or equal to 3 1s 3 2s, it is plus pi by 2. So theta 3 theta जो है ये बिलोंग करता है किस इंटरवल को, माइनस पाई बाई 2 to pi by 2. 3 theta belongs to this closed interval. Now we look here, have a look. We will take here RHS to solve this question. Sin inverse x, sin inverse 3x minus 4x square. We can put here sin inverse 3x के बजाय हम लिखेंगे sin theta, 3 sin theta minus 4x square sin square, 4 sin square theta, 4 sin square theta. इसको यहाँ लिख दीजिए. तो this is again equal to sin inverse 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta is equal to 3 theta. This is formula. 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So we can write here sine of this is sine of 3 theta, sine of 3 theta, sine of 3 theta. This is formula. Sine 3 theta, sine 3 theta, sine 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 3 sin cube theta. So we can write here 3 sin 3 theta, sin 3 theta. Now this is equal to sine inverse sin 3 theta is equal to 3 theta. This is equal to 3 theta because sine inverse sin theta is equal to sine inverse sin theta is equal to 3 theta because 3 theta belongs to here 3 theta belongs to this interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 here because 3 theta it belongs to interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So we can write here 3 theta instead of theta we can write sine inverse x, sine inverse x which is equal to LHS. Hence we have proved that 3 sine we took sine inverse 3x minus 4x square ये हमें किसके बराबर निकला 3 sin inverse x. Hence 3 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x square. ये हमें प्रूव करना था, ये हमें प्रूव करना था. So let us take now question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. इसी exercise का question number 2. Prove that 3 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x, where x belongs to closed interval 1 by 2 to 1. X belongs to closed interval 1 by 2 to 1. Now first question number first की तरह ही हम यहाँ करेंगे put let cos inverse x is equal to theta, where theta belongs to closed interval 0 to pi. Because why 0 to pi? Because 0 to pi this closed interval is range of this cos inverse function. That is theta is or we can write it theta is greater or equal to 0, less or equal to pi. So when cos inverse x is equal to theta, we can write it as cos x is equal to cos theta. X is equal to cos theta. Now as x belongs to x is greater or equal to 1 by 2, less than or equal to 1. It means cos theta is less or equal to 1, greater or equal to 1 by 2. Or we can see here 1 by 2 is cos pi by 3 less or equal to cos theta less or equal to cos 0 degree. Which implies that theta is greater or equal to pi by 3 less or equal to 0. or we can write it as, because cos theta is decreasing in the interval 0 to pi. We can write it theta is greater or equal to 0, less or equal to pi by 3, because cos theta is decreasing. Cos theta is decreasing in the interval 0 to pi. Or if we multiply this by 3, we will get 3 theta is greater or equal to 0, less or equal to 3, and 3 goes, here remains pi, which means 3 theta belongs to the closed interval 0 to pi. Now we can take this RHS, that is cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. We can put here cos inverse 4 x के बजाय हम cos थीटा लिखेंगे तो 4 cos क्यूब थीटा, 4 cos क्यूब थीटा माइनस 3 cos थीटा, 3 cos थीटा. This is equal to cos inverse cos of 3 theta, because we know that 3 theta is here equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. This is reason why 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, we write here cos 3 theta, because this is the formula in your book. 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to 3 theta. Or we can write here cos inverse cos 3 theta, that is equal to 3 theta, or where theta belongs to closed interval 0 to pi. 3 theta we are shown here. 3 theta belongs to closed interval 0 to pi, or this is equal to 3 theta के बजाय हम लिखेंगे सीधा cos inverse x. So we have proved this is equal to LHS, hence proved. LHS is equal to RHS. हमें prove करना था 3 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. We took this RHS and we proved it equal to 3 cos inverse x. RHS is equal to LHS. Hence, this is question number 2. Dear students, tomorrow we will take another the rest of the questions. Being short of time, बस आज इतना ही. Thank you.